my channel. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you press the subscribe button. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Anyways, guys, today I'm going to be doing a video, and it's on the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. And in front of me, I have 4 different colors that I need to choose from, and that's what you guys are going to help me do today. So basically, I'm just going to swatch them on my wrist, my arm, whatever you want to call it, and see which one is the best tone for me. Then afterwards, we're going to apply it to my face and check out the coverage level and see the consistency and all that good stuff. Anyways, guys, let's get started. So the first one I have is in the color Truffle, and that's 362. And let me just rewind a little bit. These cost about $5.94, so around $6, so it's really cheap and inexpensive. So if you want foundation, it's not a big deal. Just go to the store, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, something like that, any kind of any local store, and you can get this foundation. Also, this foundation is very popular on YouTube, so I decided to try it. Anyways, guys, let's get started. Again, this color is in the color Truffle, and I believe this is the darkest one that I have. And that's how it looks on my wrist. Why do I keep calling this a wrist? This is my forearm. So that's how it looks. So upon putting it on my my forearm, it's very it's liquidy, but it doesn't drip. But I probably didn't put enough to make it drip. So we'll just move on to the next one. The next one I have is 360, and it's Mocha. And again, I'm just gonna post some of that on there. And that is Mocha. That's a big difference from Mocha, from Truffle to Mocha. Okay. The next one I have is Coconut, and it's 355 Coconut. Ooh. Now that's an extra step up too. Look at that. Look at the color. And the last one I have, which I'm pretty sure is too light, is in 340 Cappuccino. Pretty sure that's too light. Oh yeah, that is way too light. That's like a highlight color. So guys, I put all those on my forearm, and from this, it looks like I should pick, I don't know, but I'm going for this one right here. This is the one I'm gonna try. And that should be the 360 Mocha is what I'm gonna try. Okay, guys? So what I'm gonna do is try the 360 Mocha on my right side, and then I'll try another color on my other side of my face. So I'm just gonna take the 360 and put some on my wrist. And I already have a damp beauty blender, so I'm going to go ahead and dip that in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on the right side of my face. It blends well. It's not that bad. It reminds me of the NARS formula that I tried. And this looks like it is medium coverage. It's not full coverage, it's medium. Because it's not fully covering the dark marks that I have on my face. So I'm gonna go back in, and we're gonna try a second layer. Try to cover up some of those marks. It's really not that bad. Okay, what color should I try now? Should I go down or should I go up? Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go down. And so now I'm gonna try the 355 coconut, which I don't think is gonna match, but I guess we can try it anyways. Okay. And I'm just gonna dip it in that, as you can see. And I'm gonna try that on the other side. Now, what do you think about that? Let's keep going with that. That's not bad at all, even though I'm messing up. Messing up, putting all over my eye. Again, it's not full coverage, but I'm not sure. Like, it's buildable. I'm thinking this color is the right color for me versus this color, because this color is a little darker and this one completely matches my skin, but it doesn't cover up the blemishes. You get what I'm saying? Overall, the formula is not bad at all. So today I tried the 360, 362, 340, and 355. These foundations are very inexpensive. You can find them in your local stores for about $6. The quality is decent. Like I said, it reminds me of the NARS formula. So if you do not have all the money in the world, you can just, you know, opt out and just buy one of these instead of buying the NARS formula. Overall, I don't know which color yet that I'm gonna go with, but I like both of them for now. Anyways, I left my forehead undone so you can see the difference in the colors on my face. And this has just been a swatch test. I don't have much more to say about this foundation. I don't really have a problem with it. I recommend it if you want to play in some makeup and so on and so forth. And that is all, guys. That is all for this video. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you press that little bell that makes sure you are notified every time I upload. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, guys. Thanks for watching.